Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an agent to scrape leads from Google Maps. Firstly, click on Create Agent, select Agent and enter name. Once created, click on Connectors, look for Google Maps and connect. Select your email and proceed. To get the key, you must first visit console.cloud.google.com, then to the APIs and Services section, and finally to the Credentials section. You must enable these 4 APIs by first going to the APIs and Services section, and then in the Enable the APIs and Services, look up for these 4 one by one and enable them. Once connected, it would ask you for your API key. You must provide it. Give your bot the required instructions regarding its task or goal. And yes, you are good to go. Now provide the required details to the bot and wait for the magic. Bam, it worked. In case if you want to change the behavior of the bot, just go back and update your requirements. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.